In this episode, you are going to learn the meaning with examples of 15 food-related idioms. Smart cookie means a very intelligent person. Example, he is one smart cookie. Sell like hot cake means something which is in high demand. Example, the news of the scandal sold like hot cakes. Souped up means to be made more powerful or stylish. Example, the new processor souped up the performance of the computer. Big cheese means a very important person. Example, he is a big cheese in politics. To egg on someone means to urge someone to do something they are reluctant about. Example, she egged on me to try the new dish, but I refused. Cheap as chips means inexpensive. Example, I got those things cheap as chips, so bought a handful. Butter someone up means to flatter someone for personal gain. Example, he tried to butter up his boss for his promotion. Full of beans means full of energy. Example, he is small but full of beans. Use your noodle means to use your brains. Example, don't believe him blindly. Use your noodle sometimes. Have bigger fish to fry means to have more important things to do. Example, I cannot waste my time on such trivial matters. I have bigger fish to fry. Not my cup of tea means something that you don't like doing. It is always used in negative sense. Example, cricket is not my cup of tea. To cut the mustard means to meet certain level of standard or expectation. This idiom is mostly used in negative sense like not meeting the standard. Example, he worked hard but it didn't cut the mustard. Apples and oranges means two different persons or things which cannot be compared. Example, comparing these two politicians is like comparing apples and oranges. A hot potato is a difficult or controversial topic that everyone wants to avoid. Example, the scam turned out to be a hot potato for the party. Cream of the crop means the best of the lot. Example, these soldiers are the cream of the crop in the entire country. Thanks for watching. Click and subscribe to watch more such videos.